Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best option for a kids couch, the Millard Kids Couch. If you're looking for a versatile, comfortable, and safe piece of furniture for your toddler or baby's playroom or bedroom, this modular sofa might just be exactly what you need. The Millard Kids Couch is designed with flexibility in mind. It's modular, meaning you can rearrange it to suit your space or your child's mood. Whether you want it set up as a cozy couch, a soft cushion to lounge on, or even a playful ball pit, this sofa adapts easily. It comes fully assembled right out of the box, so there's no complicated setup. You can start using it immediately, which is a huge plus for busy parents. Measuring 20 inches deep, 39 inches wide, and 16 inches tall, the couch offers the perfect size for toddlers and young children, comfortably seating up to 3 kids. Despite its compact size, it has a weight limit of 250 pounds, making it sturdy enough to withstand daily play, naps, and even roughhousing. The seat height and depth are designed to be just right for little ones, encouraging independent sitting and relaxing. One of the standout features of this couch is its plush velour cover. It's soft to the touch, providing a cozy spot for your child to relax, and the best part is that the cover is removable and machine washable. This makes cleaning up spills and messes simple and stress-free, keeping the couch fresh and looking great over time. Parents will definitely appreciate how practical this is. Safety is paramount when it comes to kids' furniture, and the Millard Kids Couch delivers on that front. The base is made of sturdy, soft foam that's CertiPure certified, ensuring it's free from harmful chemicals and meets stringent US safety standards. The design is all about comfort without compromising safety, with soft edges and a supportive frame made from metal to provide structure without sharp corners. The modern, rectangular style of the sofa means it fits nicely into most contemporary kids' rooms or play areas without clashing with existing decor. Available in a neutral gray color, it's easy to match with various themes and styles. Plus, it comes with a bonus pillow to add an extra element of comfort and fun. Milliard is a local company that designs and tests all its products in New Jersey, which means you're buying from a brand that values quality and customer service. They stand behind their products and offer support via phone or email should you have any questions or concerns. In summary, the Millard Kids Couch is an excellent investment for parents looking for a durable, safe, and easy-to-maintain modular sofa that grows with their child's needs. Its versatility, washable cover, and thoughtful design make it a top contender in the world of kids' furniture. Whether you're furnishing a nursery, playroom, or bedroom, this couch offers both functionality and style in one compact package. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.